In order to measure very large distance of astronomical objects, we use the following units: astronomical unit, light year, phrasing. Astronomical unit AU. It is the mean distance of the center of the sun from the center of the earth. 1 AU equals 1.496 into 10 power 11 meter. Light year. It is the distance traveled by light is in 1 year in vacuum, and it's equal to 9.46 into 10 power 15 meter. Phrasing. Phrasing is the unit distance used to measure astronomical objects outside the solar system. 1 phrasing equals 3.26 light year. To measure small distance such as distance between two atoms in a molecule, size of the nucleus and wavelength, etc., we use submultiples of 10. These quantities are measured in astrom unit. Table 1.5. Table 1.5 smaller units. This is the smaller units. Mass. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. The SI unit of mass is kilogram, kg. 1 kilogram is the mass of a particular international prototype cylinder made of platinum iridium and measures at Sèvres, France. The units gram, G, and milligram, mg, are the submultiples of 10, 1 by 10, 1 by 10 of the unit kilogram. Similarly, quintal and metric ton are multiples of 10 into 10 of the unit kg. 1 kg equals 1 by 1000 into 1 kg equals 0.001 kg. 1 milligram equals 1 into 1 by 1 lakh into 1 kg equals 0.000001 kg. 1 quintal equals 100 into 1 kg equals 100 kg. 1 metric ton equals 1000 into 1 kg equals 10 quintal. Atomic mass unit. Mass of a proton, nucleon and electron can be determined using astronomic mass unit AMU. 1 AMU equals 1 into 12th of the mass of C12th atom. Time. Time is a measure of duration of events and the intervals between them. The SI unit of time is second. 1 second is the time required for the light to propagate. 29, 97, 92, 458 meters through vacuum. It is also defined as 1 by 86 and 400 part of a mean solar day. Larger units for measuring time are day, month, year and millennium, etc. 1 millennium equals 3.16 into 10 power 9 second. Temperature. Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body. SI unit of temperature is Kelvin, K. 1 Kelvin is the friction 1 by 273.16 of the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. The temperature at the which started water vapor, pure water and melting ice are in equilibrium. 0 Kelvin, 0 K is commonly known as absolute zero. The other unit for measuring temperature are degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. Unit 1.4 Unit prefix. Unit prefix are the symbols placed before the symbol of a unit to specify the order of magnitude of the quantity. They are used to express very large and very small quantities. K, kilo, is the unit prefix in the unit. Kilometer, a unit prefix, stands for specific positive or negative power of 10. Some unit prefixes are given in the table 1.6. This is the unit prefix. The physical quantities vary in different proportion, like from 10 by minus 15 meter being the diameter of nucleus to 10 power 26 meter being the distance between two stars, and 9.11 into 10 power minus 31 kilogram being the mass of electron to 2.2 into 10 power 41 kilogram being the mass of the Milky Way galaxy. Rules and conventions for writing SI units and their symbols. The SI unit named after scientists are not written with a capital initial letter. Example: Newton, Henry, Ampere and Watt. The symbol of the units named after scientists should be written by the internal capital letter. Example: N for Newton, H for Henry, A for Ampere and W for Watt. Small letters are used as symbol for units not derived from a proper noun. Example: M for meter, kg for kilogram. No full stop or other punctuation marks should be used with or at the end of symbol. Example: 50 meter and not 50 meter. Thank you.